942, I fucking hate this, the source code is here. Let's go. Okay, in top-level lookup tables in the bomb categories lookups, we fixed this in a previous video, but we forgot that this right here, we have to change this C to a D because this is data, not a constant. We fixed it. Okay, and the bomb area functions inside of the emit functions, this is not a proper function because these functions in this section are named after the explosion shape, not the bomb type. Emit from center a ring-shaped blast at this center point. We're going to do this code in another video. Emit from center a laser-shaped blast at this center point. We're going to do this in another video. Emit from center a jack-shaped bomb at this point. Do this in another video. Emit from center a box-shaped explosion at this point. Another video, okay? The boom router functions detonate certain types of bombs. Therefore, they are named after the type of bomb, and this is not a valid function name because ring-shaped explosion is not a fucking type of bomb. So this is a monkey wrench mech, okay? So, detonate a bomb. Detonate a spark pin bomb at this one-dimensional address, a spark pin with this V16 value. We've already done this code. Let's move on to the next function. Detonate a laser box at this one-dimensional address with this V16 bomb value. Do it in another video, okay? Detonate a Jax bomb at this one-dimensional coordinate of this bomb value here. We'll do this in another video, okay? Detonate a box bomb at this one-dimensional coordinate with this bomb value. We'll do this in another video. In the unit test main function, in our loop that goes through every single bomb category, where we've looped through every single tile of the current bomb category, we have this right here where we're deciding if it's a fucking bomb, okay? If we have a fucking bomb tile, we want to explode that bomb. If the bomb is 1 through 3, it's a spark pin, so we're going to detonate it with the boom spark function, okay? And then, you know, if it's 4 through 7, it's a laser. 8 through 11 is a Jax. And then 12 through 15 is a box. We made some errors here. See this parenthesis? We were missing these opening parentheses in the previous videos. And now we have fixed these bugs in video 942, okay? So we should be fucking done now. Yeah, we're fucking done. I got no fucking time to further explain it. There is a longer review here. You are on the short code review. And this is video 942. You want a longer explanation, you're going to have to go here to this playlist and go find video 942. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine. If you like Bomberman, you're gonna fucking love this. You need to like and subscribe. My name is Kanji Coder.